Hello, you one. Welcome back. It is Tuesday today. So if you don't have yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, go and get one now. And welcome back. So let's see, what do we remember from last term? So we're going to have a little starter to start our maths brains working. So how much do you remember? Can you represent these numbers using your Deans? So there's the number 4. What would 4 look like? Draw it down now. What would 48 look like? Draw that down now. 32 and 23. Press pause, do your drawings, and then press play again. All right, let's have a look. So 4 is just 4 ones. When we say the number 4, we just mean 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just 4 things. When we say the number 48, it means that there's 4 tens. So there's 10, 20, 30, 40, plus another 8 little ones right next to it. The number 32 has 3 tens, so 10, 20, 30, and 2 ones. And have a look at number 23. So 23 has 2 tens and 3 ones. Have a look at these two numbers at the bottom, 32 and 23. What do you notice about 32 and 23? When you look at their numbers, they look similar. But how do you know which one goes at the front and which one's at the back? Have a little talk. If your grown-ups next to you, talk to them now. If not, you can just say your answer to the screen. Okay, so 32 means that there's 3 tens. There's 3 of these and only 2 ones. There's 10, 20, 30. Whereas 23 means that there's only 2 tens. Okay, so remember your first number here tells you how many tens it has, and the second number tells you how many ones. So well done, everybody. So yesterday we discussed length, and who remembers what length is? Length, it was how long something is or how short something is. And today we're going to be looking at the word height. Height, what could that mean? Height. Well, what does it sound like? Height. You're right, okay? So height means how tall something is or how short it is. Okay, so from the ground, how tall something is or how short it is. So let's have a look at some other words we use to describe height. So today's date. So when we say height, we can say tall, taller, and the tallest. Or we could say short, shorter, or shortest. Okay, you might also hear the word the same, because sometimes things are the same height, aren't they? So let's have a look at what we're going to be learning today. Who is the tallest? Have a think. How do we know who's the tallest? Well, they're all starting at different points, aren't they? Remember yesterday when we were measuring length, they all had to start on the same side. So where do you think we need to put all these people? How can we compare them? Oh, there's our starting line. We're putting our starting line this way because we're measuring up. We're measuring up, so we need to put our starting line down here now. So we put our starting line there, and then we put our people on the starting line. Oh, there we go. Look at that. The lady in the middle is the tallest. She comes up the highest, so she is the tallest. Okay, so you need to remember to stand next to each other so you can do the starting line. If you're standing all over the place, you won't be able to see who is the tallest or the shortest. So have a look at these people again. Who is the shortest? Who is the shortest? Well, at the moment you can see, have a look at all their head heights. They're all at different heights. So it looks like it should be this person. But they're not all standing at the same spot. They've got to stand next to each other. So let's put that line that they're going to stand on. And then they all stand next to each other. Oh, look, the shortest is this guy over here. Okay, so you can see he's the shortest. The others all come up above him. Okay, so that little guy there is the shortest. Have a look at these two. We've got a bear on a barrel and we've got a bear. Which of those is the tallest? There's our line so they're standing on the same line. Which is the tallest? Oh, they come up to the same spot. So what's the word we use when they come up to the same spot? It's the same. They are the same height. Absolutely, they are the same height. But if the little bear's not standing on the barrel, who is the tallest? Yes, it's the brown bear. The brown bear is taller than the panda bear. The panda bear is shorter than the brown bear. Can you find, so you're going to, in a minute, press pause and go off and find 3 things that are shorter than you. So go, press pause, off you go. Go find 3 things that are shorter than you. Off you go. Okay, did you find 3 things that were shorter than you? So if you're here, they need to be down here somewhere. Okay, now can you find 3 things that are taller than you? So if you come up to here, you have to find things that are taller than you. Can you find 3 of them? Go press pause and off you go. 3 things that are taller than you. And did you find them? So if you were here, they had to be taller than you. Now this is the tricky one. Can you find 3 things that are the same height as you? So when they're standing next to you, they're the same height as you. Press pause, off you go. Go and find 3 things the same height as you. Did you find the things that were taller, shorter, and the same height as you? I hope you had a good time doing that. Let's have a look at some more things, but on the screen. So let's make these smaller. Have a think. Look at these 2 sets of blocks here. You've got a block of green and a block of blue. Blue and the green. The something tower is taller. The something tower is shorter. What words would I put in there? Is it the blue or green word am I going to put in here? Or is it the blue or the green word in here? So the something tower is taller. Which word am I going to use? You're right, it's the green one. The green tower is taller. The blue tower is shorter. Oh, look how taller the green tower is. The green tower is taller and the blue tower is shorter. Let's compare some more heights. Oh, we've got 2 pigs. Are they both standing on the same line? Yes. So who is shorter? It is the little pig. Well done. The one in blue. Now we've got a lady and a man. Who is shorter, the lady or the man? Excellent work. It is the man is shorter than the lady. We're going to compare some heights, but this time we're going to look at who is taller. Who is taller? Oh, so we've got blue blocks and yellow blocks. Which tower is taller? Which one reaches up higher? The taller one. And then we've also got some lighthouses. Which lighthouse is taller? Point to it on the screen. All right, let's have a look at the blocks. Which one of the blocks was taller? It was the yellow one. And which one of the lighthouses was taller? Point to it. You're right, it was that one there. Well done. Can we put these in order now? So now we're going to put them in order from the shortest on this side to the tallest on this side. So the shortest one goes here and the tallest one goes here and the other one goes in the middle. So which one of those is the shortest? It's the little white one, isn't it, without his hair. And there's their line. Oh, you're right, there you are. Look, the little white one. So we're going to put him at the shorter side. Then which one's the next? Oh, it's that one at the front. So he's going to go next, isn't he? He goes to the middle. And then which one is the tallest? It is the pink goat at the back with the really big horns. And he's in the right spot, so we don't need to move him. And you can see they go shortest, bit taller, and the tallest. Oh, now we're going to have a think about these animals. Have a look at all of them. The cat is taller than the... What answer could I put in there? The cat is taller than the... Could I put the giraffe in there? No, because the cat's taller. So what could I put in there? There's two different ones. It could be, have a think. Then the horse is shorter than. Who is the horse shorter than? Have a look at those. Point to the screen or write down your answer. The cat is taller than the tortoise. He's also taller than the chicken. But the horse is shorter than the giraffe. We're going to do it again, but this time the giraffe is the... we're thinking of a word now, so now we've got to think of all the words that we've been learning. The giraffe is the... and the chicken is the... So remember, we're using tall and short. Taller, shorter, tallest and shortest. Which one is the giraffe? The giraffe is the tallest. He's the tallest, isn't he? He reaches up the highest. And the chicken is the shortest. The chicken is the shortest. Well done. I hope you liked your lesson for today about height. Remember, tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. You're going to be using those words today to fill out your worksheet. Click on the PDF on your home learning sheet to do your work for today. Have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember a pen and remember a pencil. Bye, Year 1.